Are you looking for something fun to do for Halloween? Boulder City Library Youth Department has just what you need. Beginning October 1st, when you call our curbside number to get books, you can ask for your free Halloween craft kit. Your kit contains paper with a pumpkin cutout, a little orange piece of paper, with a little pumpkin die cut, a cutout bat, handy dandy Halloween pencil, your very own glue stick for you to keep, and this little strip of paper. Maybe you're asking, what do I do with all that stuff? Well, I've got some ideas for you. This is a terrific pumpkin picture that Miss Jessie made, and I'll show you how you can make it. Or you could make a finger puppet. This is a flying bat finger puppet. I'll show you how to make that too. You can even decorate and use the bag it all comes in. Pretty handy, right? Here are some ideas of some of the things you might make with your craft kit. Of course, I always encourage you to try some things on your own and use your imagination. I'll show you how Miss Jessie made this. In your kit, there's a paper with a cutout pumpkin in it. And there's also an orange piece of paper. All you do is on the back of your paper, glue with your glue stick that was included in your kit. Or if you would like, you can tape it onto the back. And then when you turn it over, only orange shows through the window. Now you can decorate the pumpkin by putting a pumpkin face on it, make a little jack-o'-lantern, or you could even just write your name on it. You can decorate it any way you like. Another idea that's in your bag is these little bat finger puppets. You can use the strip of paper that's included to make a little tiny handle, however big you want. You can make it super small and put it on the end of a pencil, or you can make it just the perfect size to fit your fingers and have a puppet show about bats. What you do is you just put a little bit of glue right here. And you can measure, that's a good size for my fingers. So I'm going to put the other side right about here. Still fits. You can make it fly. I think he's tired now. Time to go to sleep. Bats hang upside down when they sleep. Another thing you'll find in your kit is a pumpkin die cut. This could be used to decorate the bag that your kit comes in. All the goodies that came in this bag, now that it's empty, you can decorate it and fill it up with whatever you want to. And there's also a pencil, but I don't need to tell you how to use that. Here are some book recommendations that make a great Halloween read. This one is Herbert's First Halloween by Cynthia Rylant. Here we have 10 Orange Pumpkins, a counting book by Stephen Savage. And we couldn't leave Bob Shea out of it. He's a local favorite. This one is called The Scariest Book Ever by Bob Shea. Don't worry, it's not that scary. And my personal favorite, Click Clack Boo, A Tricky Treat by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. So save the date, October 1st. We'll see you then. Happy Halloween.